Hey you guys, this is Lorie at TMI Gifts. I am taking some ribbon that I have today. It's just some extra ribbon that I have on some rolls, and I'm going to teach you how to do a scrap bow. So I'm going to take this 2.5 inch blue and white hydrangea ribbon that we have here, and I am going to cut this about, let's do 14 inches. I'm just going to lay the other one on top of it. Remember, this doesn't have to be exactly, because you can take this ribbon and actually make your scrap bows from just extra scrap pieces that you have that you want to cut down. I'll do this one 12. I'm going to cut about 2 of these. They don't all have to be the same size. Love this little carrot ribbon. So you want to do something for Easter and you want to just put a little bow on something on the inside of your house. And then I love this crystal shine here. We're going to do a little bit of green. The green pulls from the orange and the carrot, and then it also pulls from the hydrangea too. So I'm going to take about 2 pieces of each of this ribbon, and I'm going to do a scrap bow. I'm going to go ahead and dovetail. These are different sizes. I'm evening up one end, and if the other end is a little off, it's okay, because I'm just going to leave one a little bit longer. Fold that. Okay. Let's lay these out. I'll put one here. At an X here. Let's take the orange, maybe go here. Let's take a carrot now. Let's do it this way. Let's go back with, now let's do a green. Here. Let's do one more orange. This way. The carrot. Let's go green on top. Okay, then I'm going to gather that up in the middle. Okay. So I've got everything laid out kind of where I want it to be. I've gathered it up in the middle. I want to make sure you can get some good coverage on each side. I'm going to take a smaller zip tie. I've got a little bitty black zip tie here. I'm going to take that zip tie. Pull that really tight. Let's cut this off. And then I'm going to take a piece of ribbon. Let's do the green. I'll fold it in half. You could tie this around, you could cut a piece and actually tie it around it, but I'm going to glue this one. And you could put a little small zip tie underneath in case you want to zip tie it to, or you could do a Chanel stem as well. Add that zip tie, that way we'll already have it in there and we'll have to mess with it later. Then I'm going to glue. not to burn yourself. And there is your scrap bow. Got a pretty little tie off in the middle. And that's how you do a scrap bow.